everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Glossier First Impressions video because I was recently in England, as most of you guys probably do know. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot. And Glossier have started to ship to England. It was probably a while ago, but I haven't been there since. And I really wanted to get my hands on some Glossier products because I love the look of them. So I ordered quite a few Glossier products in England, and now I'm back here to do a first impressions / review of these products. I have tried about 2 or 3 of them on before. I just couldn't wait to try them out, so that will be in upcoming vlogs, or the vlogs might already be up. If they're already up, I'll link them below. But yeah, I have some products in here to show you guys, so if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button down below to join my little family. I love you all so much. Turn the notification bell on to be notified each time I upload a new video. My light literally just switched itself on and it was flashing. That's what I was seeing at the corner of my eye before. That is creepy. I know that light is weird, like something's wrong with it, but that was just really weird. What if there's a ghost in my room? At least it's day outside. If it was night now, I would be freaking out. So let's just hop right on into the video. Since I don't have any like foundation or concealer products from Glossier, I'm just gonna start doing my base as I normally would off camera, just because I don't think you guys need to see that, so let's do that. I'm back now and I kind of look like a ghost. So for Glossier makeup, I really don't think you should wear anything full coverage like any foundation or stuff, because it's meant to be like the natural look is what that kind of brand is. Like, I feel like it's very natural. Their products are meant to be like skin-like and dewy and fresh, and I've been really into dewy skin lately, so I've just concealed like under my eyes and in my forehead where I do have some redness and blemishes. You can probably still see it because I don't know why, but concealer doesn't seem to like cover it for me. We'll have the products listed below, so let's get into it. The products come in these really cute little zippy locky bags, and I'm actually going to keep it because it's a really nice like little makeup bag if you're traveling somewhere and you don't want to bring a lot. I have tried the cloud paint and the lip gloss. I tried that in a vlog, but I've only tried them like once. I'm always like, do you start with cream blush or cream highlight? I feel like you start with cream blush. So the cream blushes come in packages like this. So I have Beam and Dusk. So Beam is a little lighter than Dusk, and it will be good if you have pale skin. It's very like corally. And Dusk is a bit more like brownish pinky nude. It's nice when you've got a tan, I feel like. So because I'm such a pale ass bitch, I'm going to use Beam, and I think it is really pretty, and on it just says seamless cheek colour. I love the packaging. It is a little bit smaller than I'd like wanted, because it is like as big as, it's like as small as my middle finger. So I'm gonna warn you guys, it comes out really quick out of these little packages, so you've got to be really careful because, as I said, it's quite small and that you don't get too much product. So I like putting a little bit on my finger. So I've got a little bit like that, and I take it on my 2 ring fingers, and then I just place it on the apples of my cheeks and kind of upwards like there, and then I'll just start blending it in with my fingers, like patting it in. And at first it might look a bit intense, but it just blends in so seemingly or seamlessly. I need to retake it. We've been waiting so long. And I do like putting a little bit across the bridge of my nose as well, just some leftover. Just give you such a cute like flustered, I've been in the sun, burnt my face kind of look. No, but I think it looks really natural and cute, and then you can obviously build it up or put less on. I never used to be a blush girl, but I've realised how much it makes your face look like more alive, and it makes you look happier and healthier and glowier. So I actually got myself the birthday balm, birthdaybalm.com. Really cute packaging. Look at that. All of these have different packaging, and I have actually tried this as well, but I'm just going to show you what I think of it. And all of their products are cruelty free, which is amazing. And then the packaging look like this. So I've got the one which has a little bit of glitter in it because I love that, and it smells amazing. Literally smells like birthday cake or like cupcakes. I really wish there was smell vision. It smells so good, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. It's honestly so moisturizing. It's not one of those that like dries your lips out after like 10 minutes and you need to apply more. It's just, I feel like it's so nourishing. It feels like I got butter on my lips. I love it. I'd really recommend this product. They also have like red ones if you want like a little tint to your lips. So because I love that glowy look, you guys guessed it, I also ordered the Halo Scope Dewy Highlight, and this is Dew Effect Highlighter, and I ordered it in Moonstone just because I wanted that, like, it's kind of like a see-through glow thingy bob, and they're not supposed to have glitter in, and they're moisturizing because they've got like a little circle in the middle that's just moisture, and then the thing on the outside is the glow. So I got this. They have it in 3 shades. I think they have one for deeper skin tones, and then they have more like a pinkish one, but this one's more like see-through, so you can use it on any skin type. I'm just gonna see how much product there is, and look, there isn't that much at all. It's only like a centimetre worth of product. I feel like it's not a lot, but then again it might last for long. I have no idea. So there we go. So on the package it says to just glide it on your skin. I'm just worried that it will ruin my blush and like take away my blush, if you get what I mean, because I put my blush very high, but I like doing that. So. Oh wow, that's pretty. Can you see that? And then you need to just blend it in, I guess. It does give like a wet look, so if you aren't a fan of the dewy look, and yeah, then you probably wouldn't like this. But I'm a big fan of the dewy natural skin look, so I'm loving this so far. I don't think it took away my blush, but I do think if you had a thick layer of foundation that it would definitely kind of mess that up a bit, which is why I tried to apply as little, like I don't use foundation, but I wouldn't put concealer on my cheekbone because then it would like mess it up, I feel like. Oh, that is beautiful. I mean, some people would mistake it for sweat, I feel like, but I don't think that that's a bad thing. It's just like a healthy glow. So I'm gonna do some down the bridge of my nose, and then on the tip like that, on the cupid's bow as well. Beautiful. You could also probably go like this, yeah, and get some on your fingers, and then just, if you didn't want so much, then you can just go like this and tap it. Okay, that is definitely enough. You don't need to go with the whole thing and draw a line, because that will be, it will be very thick. So I think I prefer just taking a bit on my fingers and going like this. But again, Glossier they do kind of promote themselves as like a quick and easy brand, which they really are. Like, if I had like 3 minutes to get ready in the morning, I could like slap this on and I'd be good to go. But I do think it looks better with this, because this is quite a lot. It's like that much of a chunky highlight there. It's not chunky though, because there's no glitter in it, what I can see anyway. There is a little bit, but it is very natural and subtle. I'll apply a bit to my chin and my brow bone. Oh wow, I got a little bit much there. Overall, I really like this product. I think it's easy to use. It looks very natural. It does give you such a dewy glow. It glides on easily, and I love that it's got the moisturizing little thing in the middle. So I would also recommend this product. Next thing we're going to try out is their Boy Brow, which is their #1 bestseller. So I'm really excited for this, and I got it in the shade brown, I believe. They have black, brown and clear, and they also have blonde. So they do have a lot of colours, which is nice. It says apply in short upward and outward strokes to fluff brows into desired shape. Again, this is very small, and they are a bit pricey for how little of product you do get, but at the same time they're cruelty free. They've got a really cool aesthetic like to their brand, and I feel like they're really good and I like their products, so I will probably be buying from them again, even though there is such like small packaging. So I'm gonna try it out. This is how it looks. And oh, okay, it's a very small brush, which could be good, I feel like. Let's go with it. So I'm gonna start out here. My brows are very overgrown, if you can say that. They haven't been tweezed for a while, but I'm kind of liking that look. Not 100% sure though. There we go. I kind of like that shape. That was really easy and quick. I am loving this product so far. It looks really good. It doesn't like clump up like my last one of these did. Wow. I absolutely love my brows now. Wow, they look so full and like natural at the same time. Love this, and I love how easy it was to use. It was so easy. I do look crazy now because I don't have any like eyeshadow or eyeliner on. Wait, what? Because I don't have any eyeshadow or mascara on. I really wanted to get their liquid lid thing, but I didn't because I had already spent quite a lot of money in England. And yeah, they only ship to the US, Canada and England, I feel. Yeah, I think it's those countries, but they will soon be shipping to more countries. I think they're soon shipping to Sweden, which is really exciting. I have one more product to try out, but first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm using Sigma's mascara, Embellish Lash. So this mascara is brown, which I really like because it adds to that natural look. I'm gonna go put this on. I'm back now. I've applied my mascara, which made a whole lot of difference. It looks so much better now. So now I'm gonna try the lip gloss out, which I have tried once before, but I'm obviously gonna tell you my honest opinion and what my first reaction was. Packaging again is in a little cute box that is like a pinkish tone, and then it says Glossier in white. So it looks like this. It makes such a satisfying noise when you take it out. So I've got nothing on my lips apart from the bomb.com, and they're still moisturised. They've got a little bit of a glitter in them. As you can see straight away, it's got that gorgeous glossy look. When I saw this product on their website, it looked like the girl who had this on had put like a ton on, and it looked so glossy and gorgeous. So that is the reason why I wanted to try this out. And when I was going to try it, I was like, I bet it won't look like that in real life. I bet it's just like a normal gloss. But now once I put this on, it definitely has that gorgeous shine that that girl on the website had. And I've only had like one pump. So yeah, as you saw, I only put one pump on, and it gives such a lovely gloss. No gloss I own has ended up looking this glossy. Well, it is called Glossier, but you know what I mean. I'm really happy I got this, and I love it. It's not... Hi! What pizza? Overall, I don't think that you can get a gloss like this very easily, but I mean, you probably can. So if you're not too fussed about this very, very glossy look, then it probably isn't for you. But I'm in love with this. So that is all of the Glossier products I had to try for you guys today. If you do want another one of these videos where I try out the other products, or if I try out another popular brand, let me know the brand below. It has to be cruelty free though, because I only support cruelty free brands on my channel, which you probably know by now. Overall, I really loved all of these products. If I were to recommend one, it would definitely be the Cloud Paint, I feel like, and then also the Boy Brow. But then again, I've only ever tried 2 different brow products, and this Glossier one was 100 times better than the other one. But there might be other ones on the market that I haven't tried out that are just as good for a better price, but I don't know. All I know is that it was so easy to apply that Boy Brow, and it looked really nice and natural. So I definitely recommend all of the products I tried out today, and I really love it. It does give you such a natural and glowy look, which is what I'm going for. And yeah, I will have all of the products I used linked down below. And here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. It means the world to me that you comment on my videos, because it just makes me so happy reading all of your comments. I always read all of them and try to reply as many as possible, which you guys know by now, I feel like. If you want to see what I get up to when I'm not on YouTube, then follow my socials. I'll have them on the screen right now. And I do polls on Twitter and Instagram, so if you want to be involved in my content and kind of decide what I make, then you should definitely follow me on there so you can be a part of that. End of this outro ramble. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Then you see I don't